Hello everyone. Today, we will explore together a very special wild animal. Small but extremely brave. That is the mongoose, a famous warrior with the ability to confront the most dangerous venomous snakes. So what makes mongooses so extraordinary? How do they live? What do they eat? And why are they called enemies of venomous snakes? Let's enter the fascinating world of mongooses right now. Mongooses are small terrestrial carnivorous mammals belonging to the family Herpestidae. This family has two subfamilies, Herpestinae and Mungotinae. Herpestinae includes 23 living species native to southern Europe, Africa, and Asia, while Mungotinae includes 11 species native to Africa. Mongooses have long faces and bodies, small, rounded ears, short legs, and long, tapered tails. Most are brindle or gray in color. Some have heavily marked fur, resembling that of weasels. Their non-retractable claws are used primarily for digging. Mongooses, like goats, have narrow, ovoid pupils. Most species have large anal scent glands, which are used to mark territory and signal reproductive status. Mongooses are compact in build but agile. They range in head to body length from 27 to 40 centimeters. Excluding the tail, they weigh between 0.5 and 2 kilograms. The mongoose is one of at least 4 known mammals that have mutations in the nicotinic acetylcholine receptor that protect against snake venom. Their modified receptors prevent the venom neurotoxin from binding. These represent 4 separate, independent mutations. In the mongoose, this change is achieved, uniquely, through glycosylation. Their thick, soft fur is brown, gray, or light yellow. This is a natural armor that helps them blend into their environment to avoid predators. In particular, the mongoose's eyes are not only bright but also have the ability to see well in low light conditions, greatly assisting them in hunting. The mongoose's short but extremely strong legs help them run fast and move flexibly on the ground. Their long tail also acts as a balance when moving over rocks or complex terrain. Mongooses are mainly distributed in Africa, South Asia, and some areas in Southeast Asia, including Vietnam. They often live in warm climates such as savannas, water forests, grasslands, and even semi-deserts. Interestingly, mongooses love to live in places with many burrows, because this is the ideal place for them to take shelter, raise their young, and avoid dangerous predators. During the breeding season, the male will recognize the behavior of a female through scent signs, knowing when the female is in heat. The gestation period is about 60 to 70 days. And most pregnancies give birth to 1 to 3, usually 2, young. The male does not help the female take care of them. One of the outstanding characteristics of mongooses is that they live in groups. Each group can have from 10 to 40 individuals, and there is always a clear division of roles in the group. Adults are often assigned to hunt and protect the herd from enemies in the natural world. Mongooses are omnivorous. Their diet includes insects, young birds, eggs, and sometimes venomous snakes. In particular, they are famous for their ability to destroy extremely dangerous snakes such as cobras. In the fight with snakes, they use speed and flexibility to avoid snake attacks. Then, they encode the snake to launch the finishing blow. What is special is that mongooses have natural resistance to venom, helping them to be less affected when injured. Mongooses are not only intelligent but also very united. When in danger, the whole herd will join forces to fight the enemy. If one in the herd is attacked, the other members will immediately rush to the rescue. In the ecosystem, mongooses play a very important role. They help control the number of insects and small animals, preventing the damage these species cause to crops. In addition, their ability to hunt venomous snakes also helps reduce the danger to humans and other animals. In Indian legend, there was a small village that was attacked by a cobra. At that time, a mongoose rushed out and fought bravely with the snake. And then the mongoose lived with the whole village. Since then, the local people have always honored the mongoose as a symbol of courage. However, despite its strength, the mongoose is also facing many risks. The loss of habitat due to deforestation and illegal hunting is causing their numbers to decrease. Therefore, each of us should join hands to protect this animal by protecting nature and saying no to products from wild animals. So today we have finished learning about the mongoose, a small warrior, but full of courage in the animal world. If you like this video, don't forget to like, Share and subscribe to the channel to continue to accompany us to discover other interesting things in the wild world. Goodbye and see you again.